Hi, I'm Brad Lane, founder of FabWorks Original Equipment Manufacturing. We cater to the professional lawn and landscape contractor. Today, I'd like to show you our latest and newest and most awesome piece of equipment yet, the pile pusher. It fits on zero-turn mowers, ATVs, and RTVs, and it's going to make your work a lot easier. Okay, to begin with, we're looking at the very front of the new product, the pile pusher, and that's what we call it because it will push a pile. This thing is designed to push leaves, it'll push dirt, it'll feather gravels and tend to your driveway, it'll push debris, snow, whatever you'd like to use it for. First thing first, we're looking at the business side of the blade first. To begin with, at the bottom, we have a 3/4 inch piece of hard rubber bolted on a heavy frame, which we'll look at in just a moment. A total overall width of 60 inches gives you plenty of space to grab the debris, and if you notice, it has a radius on both sides. What that does is that instead of letting it flow around the blade to the outside and lose it, it focuses it to the inside, making your work a lot more efficient. Here we have the back plate. This isn't the business end of it. The heavy down here is the business end. This is the overflow plate that catches the pile as it begins to build in the front of the blade. These two holes are designed when you unpin it from the hitch, you can grab it and pull it right out of the hitch. You can do the same thing when you hook it in. It's easy on, easy off. Okay, on the back side here, you can see kind of how the construction is made on the pile pusher. First thing you notice is we have a 12-volt linear actuator. This actuator is super heavy duty for the commercial user. Has a 12-inch extension on it and about 1,350 foot-pounds of force, so it's really heavy duty for the commercial guy. We have a tube and a tube design that slips into the 2-inch receiver hitch. We have bracing and framing on the back of this on the business end to push whatever you think that you would like to use your push blade for. As you can see, the unit is plugged into the 2-inch receiver hitch and it has a wire on it. The wiring harness, we've got it set up to where it fits on the machine permanently, and the switch is mounted to the control levers of your machine, which we'll get to in just a moment. What I wanted to show you right now is the quick connect and the quick disconnect. When you unplug it from your hitch, you unplug the disconnect, slide it right out. When you want to mount it to your machine, you plug it in, plug in the quick connect, and you're ready to go. As you can see, we have the switch mounted right to the control levers of your zero-turn mower. Again, the wiring harness is fixed to your machine, stays with your machine, and it's easily universally mounted to most all zero-turn mowers just with the straps that's provided, and it's a simple toggle switch for up and down right from the seat of your machine to operate the blade. Okay, what we're going to show you now is how simple and easy it is to disconnect the unit from the machine when you're through using it. First of all, unplug the quick connect wire connector, pull your pin from the 2-inch receiver, and the easy way to do it is grab the handle, pick up on it a little, slide the pin right out, then lift the machine right out of the receiver. Okay, now that we've told you a little bit about this awesome attachment, showed you some good points about it, how it hooks, how it unhooks, stick around, watch some more of the video, and let's see what this thing can do on making your job easier.